with Satyahala, with you all health. I'm Uncle Raven. And this is my topic for this video. That your body arises from your soul, and also that we inherit our souls and the information within our souls from our parents, just like we inherit our DNA from our parents. And that ultimately we inherit our souls and the information within our souls from the earth. Let me explain. And this is scientific, by the way. Don't worry. It's not some new age. Let me explain. According to my studies in epigenetic science, all of the information necessary to construct a full and functioning human being is contained within the human being's electromagnetic field. Only a fraction of it is contained within our DNA. In fact, our DNA by itself, at least according to epigenetic science, doesn't even contain enough information to construct a fully functioning organ, let alone a whole human being. But 100% of that information is contained within our electromagnetic fields. Now, the electromagnetic field is a field of energy which operates every single process within your body. It not only tells your cells what to do, but it causes them to do it. Every time that you have a thought, what's happening is there's an electromagnetic impulse zapping in your brain. That's your thought. Whenever you tell your body to move, that's electromagnetic impulses sent through your nervous system. Whenever you have an emotion, again, electromagnetic phenomena occurring within your body. It's all electromagnetic. That's how we are operated, kind of like machines in a way. So, our thoughts comprise much of our consciousness, our awareness, our senses comprise much of our consciousness and awareness. Our awareness is part of our electromagnetic field, which I personally believe can actually exist outside of our bodies. So this is where it kind of touches on a sort of a scientific spirituality, okay? Now, this is the electromagnetic field, and as far as I see it, it is basically your life force and your spirit, your soul. Now, as I said, it contains all of the information necessary for the operation, regulation, and construction of the living body. And it has been shown that developing fetuses already have fully formed, fully developed electromagnetic fields before they themselves are fully formed or developed within the womb. Before a baby is fully developed, the baby already has a fully formed electromagnetic field. The electromagnetic field, known as an EMF for short, is basically the blueprint for the construction and regulation of the living being. Plants have them, animals have them, we have them, but also inanimate objects have them. In fact, everything has one, but within living beings, it serves a function. It serves the function of regulation and guidance. Anyways, now, we are created by a sperm from the dad merging with an egg from the mother. Well, the mother already had her electromagnetic field. And since the egg is created within the mother, then the egg naturally derives its electromagnetic field from the mother's electromagnetic field. And therefore, the information within the mother's electromagnetic field will be naturally contained within the information within the egg. Not all of it, obviously, but whatever the egg would need, the most important stuff. It's going to be contained within that egg's electromagnetic field. So the egg inherits information, electromagnetic information from the mother. The sperm, being that it is created and generated within the father's body, also inherits its electromagnetic information from the father's electromagnetic field. And when they combine and they merge, they combine their electromagnetic fields into one field, one merged, unified field. And therefore, they combine their electromagnetic information. So the genetic information in the DNA, as well as the electromagnetic information within the fields, are combined. And therefore, we inherit our electromagnetic information from our parents. But our parents inherited it from their parents, and their parents inherited it from their parents, and their parents inherited it from theirs. All life forms inherit the information within their electromagnetic fields from their parents before them, and on and on and on, until inevitably we get back to the original first single-celled organisms from which all life evolved and descended on this earth. And there's only one place that those original single-celled organisms could have gotten their electromagnetic fields and their electromagnetic information. And that would be from the earth itself. Directly from the earth itself. So we actually inherit biological, genetic, electromagnetic information from our earth. Our earth is quite literally our parent. We also inherit some of it from the sky, because the electromagnetic information within the atmosphere is going to be somewhat different than it is on the earth. The earth has its own electromagnetic field, but then there's also a slightly different electromagnetic energy in the sky as well. And I think that we actually inherit some of the information that comes down from the atmosphere, you know. So the electromagnetic nature in the atmosphere, the upper atmosphere, is going to be different from the electromagnetic field generated directly by the earth, right? So there's going to be a different energy. They're connected, they're related, but they're going to be different. And so I believe that the original life forms, they derived their electromagnetic energy first and foremost directly from the earth itself, but they also get some of that information from the atmosphere, because there is a constant communication back and forth, an exchange of information between the atmosphere and the earth itself. They're always in communication and exchanging information. So any life form that develops within the electromagnetic field of the earth is going to inherit information both from the earth's field and from the atmospheric electromagnetic information. We're going to inherit both. And so therefore, we instinctively recognize that the earth is quite literally our mother, and the sky is quite literally our father. Or vice versa. The point is that they are both our parents. Anyways, take this however you wish. This is just my philosophy. I could be way wrong. I'm open to people debating and challenging me, but this is how I think. Thank you for watching. I apologize for how long my video has been. And I am very appreciative for your support. I am very much trying to grow my channel. I need it. I hope that if my channel is successful enough, it can become a source of money for me. And, you know, if I can actually start to earn money from my videos, then I can start doing giveaways for my subscribers and my watchers, you know, and I can also start using it to raise money for charity so that I can help out, you know, with my community. So that can only happen if I get more people liking and subscribing to my channel, liking my videos and sharing my videos and subscribing to my channel. So if you like what you see, if you like what you hear, then please press the like button on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. with Satya, with you all, Earth, and have a good day or night, or both.